So my major design project focused on two user groups, senior citizens and children. So hi, my name is Gauri Mehra. So my major design project focused on two user groups, senior citizens and children. So I needed to build a space that creates a cohesive bond between the two, because in today's time there is an intergenerational gap. There are nuclear families because of which seniors are living alone, children and their parents are living alone. There's no interconnection between them, and that relationship is very important for both of them. Hence, I have my design focused on creating a cohesive communal space for them. So the inspiration arises from two aspects: A, my personal life experiences; B, my research paper. In 2 years back, I lost my own grandmother, and that made me realize how important that aspect of life is. Secondly, in my research paper, I came across facts like seniors in today's time are quite lonely. They face ageism that affect their mental health. Similarly, children at that tender age, they need that constant support, that constant, कि हाँ हम तुम्हारे साथ है, that aspect in their life. So I needed to inculcate that in my project. Okay, so I think that comes from a technical aspect. Like my own site, it had a lot of rigidity. There was problems in accessibilities because the site was built in 1970. So there was no ramp in that site, and I needed to inculcate that. So I had that technical issues. Then each room was quite small, so I had to come to a program that combines those small rooms, yet my program and its storyline. So, and the two user groups, they are quite two axes on two axes. So I needed to come to something that cohesively combines both of them and their requirements. So I feel quite like a weight is lifted off my head firstly. Secondly, I feel like in this project, I gave my 100%. There was a lot of personal growth on my end as well. I pushed myself. There were long hours. I learned new software just for this project, and it's just a blessing that I am here right now and it happened. So yeah, I was actually reflecting on that, and I realized that in these 4 years, I have completely transformed as a person. Like in school or otherwise, I had low confidence. However, today I'm confident about myself. I'm comfortable in my own skin, and today I do feel like a designer. Earlier, I wouldn't have done what I did today, and it's all because of IIED and this teacher, their support system. Yeah, I'll just say that don't shy away from hard work. Design requires hard work, and be authentic. There are too many references on Pinterest or otherwise, and that